So the next section to talk about is numerical expressions. So numerical expressions. So this is where we have a string of arithmetic that we're doing, and we want to know kind of what do we do first, what do we do second, etc. So the way you want to use this is the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So please for P, so this is please, excuse my dear Aunt, and then Sally. So this is what you want to remember. Now what do these stand for? The P is parentheses. That's what we do first. Whenever you see an expression that has parentheses in it, that's what you're going to do first. E is for exponents. Then comes multiplication and division. These are kind of together. It doesn't necessarily matter which one you do first. So I'll kind of group those together. Next we're going to have addition and subtraction. And again, we'll group those together. So whenever you're trying to do a numerical expression, this is the order in which you want to evaluate things. So let's just do some examples. Let's say that I want to evaluate 1 plus 3 squared minus 2 times 3. Well, let's go through and use our rules. First off, do I have any parentheses? Yes, I do here. So I'll add those first. This is 4 squared minus 2 times 3. Next, do I have any exponents? I do. I have a squared on the 4, so 4 squared is 16. Okay. Next, multiplication and division. Do I have any of that? Well, multiplying the 2 and the 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then lastly, addition and subtraction. 16 minus 6 is 10. So that's how you would go through these. So let's do a couple more examples so you can kind of see what's going on here. Example 2, let's do 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 4 divided by 2. First off, parentheses, do I have any? No. Do I have any exponents? No. Multiplication and division. So let's see, these two are grouped by multiplication, so 2 times 3 is 6, and these two are grouped by division, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now I'm going to do addition and subtraction. I can just add them all up. So 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Let's do another one here. How about 2 plus 4 divided by 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 3? First off, do I have any parentheses? Now at first you might be saying no, that you don't have parentheses, but there's kind of an unwritten couple sets of parentheses here. We don't write them, but really there are parentheses right there. Whenever you have a fraction like that, you do have parentheses, we just don't write them. So we have to take care of those first. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then write the rest of my expression. So we've taken care of parentheses. Any exponents? No. Now comes multiplication and division. Now it doesn't matter the order in which I do this. Let's go ahead and say I divide 6 by 2, which is 3. So I get 3 times 2. And now I got more multiplication, so 6 plus 3. And now addition and subtraction, where I get 9. And let's do one last one. How about 1 plus 2 cubed over 3 times 2 minus 1. First thing I'm going to do are my parentheses. So 1 plus 2 is 3, so I get 3 cubed over 3 times 2 minus 1. Next, exponents. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, so that's going to be 27 over 3 times 2 minus 1. Next, 27 divided by 2, because we're doing division and multiplication, so that's 9 times 2 minus 1. Multiplication, 18 minus 1, so I get 17. So if you just remember the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you should be fine on how to evaluate numerical expressions.